Hello everyone, I bought this Benchmark lawnmower. The summer is here and we need to cut our grass. So this is the first look at it. This was the deck washing port. This is the side exit. It has 8 levels of height, 22 inches, 173 cc's, a really powerful machine. This is the air filter, needs to be washed in 50 hours. The gas tank takes a liter of gas in. This is the model number if you are curious. And it has 3 speeds, 1, 2, and 3. You can see it right here, and these are the cup holders. This bag had all the accessories that came with the lawnmower, and the engine oil was included in it. So this is the engine oil that we're going to put in the lawnmower. It's gonna go right here, so this red thing will come off, and we're going to use this nozzle, this black nozzle, to put the oil in. This is how we can put the nozzle on the deck wash port, and it'll go right here and it'll click right in, and that's how you take it off. This is the mulching plug. You need to put this on the back side of the lawnmower to start the mulching process. This is the side discharge port, and that's how you take this off. You just pull it out, and it'll come right out. This is the oil stick, and it'll have a minimum and a maximum level on it. Okay, so we're putting the oil, the engine oil, in the lawnmower. So I took the oil stick out. I put the funnel in the opening, and I'm pouring down the engine oil. It comes with the accessories, and the bottle is 400 ml, and the whole thing needs to go in. After pouring in the oil, putting the oil stick back in and checking the levels, and as you can see, the level is full. Next we need to fill the gas in. So I've taken the gas cover off, and it takes the maximum it takes is 1 liter. So we're going to pour the gas in before starting, and make sure you don't fill it all the way. Exactly 1 liter is what it needs. This is the power lever, and make sure it's attached to the handle, and then you can pull and start the lawnmower.